Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring basic prerequisites: battery above 20% or a charger plugged in, and the OS updated so options behave predictably. Once ready, open display or screen settings and locate the sleep or screen timeout control. This is the primary lever. If your device hides advanced options, enable developer or advanced settings first. Now change the timeout to the longest built-in value so the screen stays on while you prepare the next, more persistent steps. Once done with the basic timeout, make the setting persistent by enabling stay awake or screen pinning features. These prevent automatic locking during charging or active use. If the OS lacks a never sleep toggle, install a reputable keep awake app and grant it the required permissions and battery exemption rights. Also adjust brightness and battery optimization so the system won't override the app. Together, these steps keep the screen reliably on while conserving power as much as possible. To finish, test for 5 to 10 minutes. Interact a bit, then unplug and replug the charger to verify behavior under both states. If the screen still sleeps, revoke battery optimization for the Keep Awake app or toggle developer options back on and re-enable Stay Awake. If problems persist, restart the device and, as a last resort, reset display settings to defaults and reapply the changes. One key troubleshooting tip: check battery optimization and permission lists first. They're the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.